Hello, Dr. D. This is the flowchart assignment, and the planet I chose to do it on was Venus, the Venusian Atmosphere. So, I know it's a little hard to read. I'm sorry my writing is kind of bad, but that's why I'm here to explain it. So, the first one of the events that I chose to, put as the first one was the fact that Venus is 30% closer to the sun than Earth, and 30% may not seem like a lot, but it's enough to take it out of the habitable zone and have some pretty dire consequences, which leads to the next one. The second one right here says that because it's so close to the sun, 30% closer, all the water from the lakes, the oceans, it all evaporates from Venus's surface. And this leads to two very bad consequences. One of them being that with no water, the CO2 cycle that kind of takes the CO2 out of the atmosphere and back into the ground, it's broken, it's messed up because water is an integral part of it. And with water not being there and the cycle being messed up, it also coincides to the other side effect on this side, which with the increase in greenhouse gases, the surface of let me see what that says real quick. Oh my god. So, I'm sorry, with the presence of more greenhouse gases, the greenhouse effect in Venus increases a lot more. So there's going to be more greenhouse gases in Venus's atmosphere, I'm sorry. And that also leads to two bad side effects to us humans who would like to, probably visit Venus one day. One of them being with the increase in greenhouse gases in Venus's atmosphere, it gets so thick and heavy that the pressure becomes so intense to the point where any human who would step on the planet would just get crushed to death instantly, pretty much, and that's pretty terrible. And then the other one is with all the greenhouse gases, there is so much more heat trapped in the planet, and is to the point where it's even hotter that if you the surface of Venus is so much more hotter than an oven set to broil, which is that's upward of more than 400 degrees Fahrenheit. But yeah, that's my chart. I know it's a little hard to read, but this is what I did, and I hope that's okay. Have any comments? You let me know, Dr. D.